Alright, welcome to part 14 of making a Super Smash Bros. Ultimate overlay. Today, we're probably going to add some character icons. So if you look at the preview, I think I have to add back this scene, because my scenes got screwed up, but I'm going to try adding character icons to this scene in particular. So first, I'm probably going to add back my scenes here. Okay. Alright, let's adjust these scenes then. So this has a source of game, and that's going to be in the top left corner, so 0, 0. The width and height is 50 and 50, like that. And then the commentators, they're going to be a position of 50 and 0, and then 50 and 50, not 505. Okay, and then we need player 1 and player 2, and info as well. So players, so that'll be 0, nah, negative 25, I think, actually. 50, 100, no, 50, 50. There we go, that's a player. Let's add some info. What's this? So 25, 50, width should be 25. Height of 50. There we go. Let's add another player. Be 25 and 50. Okay, I think that scene is finished. Okay. Next scene, what have we got? I think we need to add a commentators scene as well. Hiatus, and this will be game 0, 0, 100, 100, and And I think players is my last scene. Hopefully they work. So let's have a look at the preview now. So that's that scene, this scene, that scene, that scene, and it's not called hiatus, it's called waiting. Needed some study music? Well, you got some sick Smash music now. And is my voice music to your ears, Ben? Alright, hopefully that works now. There we go. Alright, I think I have all the scenes set up again. Which is good. Now I need to start the work on the actual overlay. Oh, it looks like Couch Warriors has gone to Game 5 in the bracket reset, and they're already after the venue closing time. I've been pretty good, Mr. L. How have you been? Studying for those exams? Are they coming up soon? Alright, let's find out. Let's go. Where am I hiding the character icons first of all? Is it icon? I think it's just called icon. Yeah, I need to stop hiding the icon. And I need to only hide it on specific scenes. So I want to hide it on the in-game scene. Dude, how are you gonna go on your melee exam? I bet you're prepared for that, hey? So data scene equals game. And then if I save that, let's see if that worked. So the icons should show up, but I don't know where they are. I think I need to actually position the icon. Okay, now I need to set the width. Alright, welcome everybody from Couch Warriors Smash. So they were actually using an overlay editor from Streameta, which is this web app that I've made, and at the moment I am making an overlay for Super Smash Bros. Ultimate tournaments. And I'll just give you a little preview for now. So this is this scene. We got who won in the end? Was it Chin or Corbin? I know it was game 5. So I'll just put it as 2-2 at the moment. Alright. There's this scene. It's a bit hard to tell when there's actually no camera there yet. Chin won. Well, there we go. Give him the winner. Like that. I'm actually not sure whether I want to keep these, like the background color of the score is the same, roughly the same color as the background of the player itself, and I think it kind of maybe blends in too much. Yeah, it was pretty cool. It was a pretty interesting tournament. Good old Ignis going sandbag characters. This is the commentary scene. So look, this one's looking pretty basic actually. I kind of want to make this scene look a little bit better as well. And then we have the hiatus scene, which just has the round in the top left. And usually that'll have a timer that goes like, pools in how long? An hour, etc. And so the first goal for today was to add character icons to this screen. I'm not sure exactly how necessary that would be, but I want to do it anyway just in case. So now I'll pop over to the code. Spooky code here. Pulls in increasing increments. Dude, you have no idea how often I have to change that timer. It's like, hey Mr. T.O., what time's pool starting? 10 o'clock. Okay. 10:30 comes around. Alright. Better increase the timer on the stream. Hope nobody set an alarm to come back at 10 o'clock. Usually they don't, but it doesn't matter. Okay, let's set the width. What should it be? Like, let's try like 3 VW. And the height has got to be the same as the width. This is a square character icon after all. What else we got? So we need to set position absolute, I think. Their clocks are running fast. Maybe the TO's clocks are running fast. I don't know. I'll have to check with them. Maybe they set their clocks to the timer, to the time on the Wii U after it's been unplugged for a week and not connected to the internet, because it does not keep track of time if you don't connect it to the internet. As far as that's what I've learned anyway. What have we got? Top position. I have to change the time on the Wii U before every single tournament, basically, so that the tags don't get out of order. I hope the Switch won't have that issue. Let's go 5. I'm gonna have to change these values anyway, so it doesn't have to be specific. Alright, let's try this. Let's see if this shows up at all on the preview. Fingers crossed. Also, how's your internet going with the stream, Battle Dolphin? Because I know you told me you couldn't watch it at some point because it was too high quality, but hopefully it's better now because I dropped the bitrate. Alright, let's have a look. Did the character icon show up? Okay, it looks like they kind of did. But I need to make sure. You see how it says random_1 there? I have quality options? What? I don't think that's ever happened on this channel. I can bump up the bitrate now. Alright, I'm gonna... Or should I just keep the bitrate the same? Doesn't matter, I suppose. 2,500's enough. Anyway, I gotta get rid of that text that says random_1. Change it to an actual icon. Okay. So I had to do the same thing for state and region icons, so I'll find out where I did that and just copy and paste it. So that's location. Location image, here we go. This is the one that I wanted. So I'll copy this and add a new section here, a new rule that says do the same thing for the character icons. It's just icon. I think that should be good. Let's have a look. There we go, there's a random icon there, right next to Victoria, Australia. Let's see if I can change characters and have it work. Got chic. What do you think of that chic icon? It looks a little odd. I am making this with Streameta, the very channel you are watching it on. It's, if you go to streameta.com, you'll find out all about it. But basically, where's Corin? So this is like the controller. You can do all of the character data, round information, etc. here. And then this is the overlay editor. And I'm using custom code basically, but if you want to do stuff that's actually, you don't have any coding experience, there is all these options here. You can change the positions and font sizes of everything. But since I know a bit of coding, I'll just use this basically. Now, yeah, okay, I'll add a little command because this is a feature of Streameta. It has a built-in chatbot. So here's the bracket command. I can edit commands. Where it plays a recording, so I don't even have to stream, it's just all pre-recorded. Okay, exclamation mark plug. Nah, what should I call it? Exclamation mark. Streameta. Okay. What should the response be? Streameta.com. Exclamation mark about. That's probably a better idea. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, about. I'm gonna call it about. Ugh. Use this keyboard. Actually, if I just go streamedit.com, I can copy the tagline directly from the website. Wow, let's copy this. Okay, let's try that. So if I connect, someone try exclamation mark about in the chat. Hopefully that'll work. Well, it works. Exclamation mark bracket. And that basically, this tournament brackets, in square brackets, it grabs whatever the bracket is listed here. So if I change that to challenge.com. .172, I think, was the most recent FNS. Okay, and that'll change the command, but that'll also change this little bracket window down here. There we go. A cooldown timer. You mean to the bot? Yeah, probably. I don't know if it's really necessary though. I'll say stream edit is there we go. Okay, I might add a keyboard command because people often ask about the keyboard. I reckon just post the bracket link a billion times if people say exclamation mark bracket a billion times. So the is an Orbi touch. Yes, I definitely wanted to type the number 4. There we go. New command. Yeah, I can. Dude, I will copy and paste a single word if I have to. Okay. We now that we've done those commands, let's head back into actually doing some overlay editing. So the position of that character is probably not quite right. I don't know if I should actually make the character icon bigger as well. Yeah, the message, yeah, you can put whatever you want after the command. In fact, the command doesn't even have to be an exclamation mark. You can type any text. So if anyone even mentions the word bracket, I can just do this. But then that might trigger when people are just using bracket in a casual sentence. So keep the exclamation mark. Okay. Let's have a look, see if I can reposition this icon a little bit more conveniently. Yeah, you're just typing a sentence and all of a sudden exclamation mark bracket just pops out of nowhere. I know, the same thing happens to me, dude. Okay, let's adjust these values. So top, probably want to bring it down here. Let's make it way bigger. That's pretty big. Maybe I should do the bottom position instead of the top position. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad, but I kind of want it. It looks a little bit too big compared to the score. So maybe I'll make it a bit smaller. I know, dude. Oh shit. Stay. Okay, should I make it the same height as the score? I don't know. So that's too small now. What if I make it exactly the same height as the score? And also got to position it for doubles as well, so that's going to be interesting. 3.5. I reckon 4 might be better. Right, 3.9. That looks alright. Wait, what? I swear that was a glitch. Like, when I unchecked this, the left value totally changed. That was really weird. Okay, so let's copy all this and paste it back in the actual code. Icon. That's actually, you know, that's quite a good idea. I don't actually have that implemented in StreamEdit yet, but I think that would actually, it would give a reason to have all this room on the layout because there's all this empty space here. And if I have like a bunch of characters, that would be pretty cool. I think maybe I'll give that a go. Yeah, I could just have it like fill up all the empty space. Just if the people have like 20 characters. That's looking alright. So, like, if I go over here, I can show everyone's most recent characters. Because it stores what character a person most recently uses. I find Charizard. Charizard isn't a character? Pokemon trainer. Okay. Because it stores both characters. But I just have to make it appear in the actual overlay. Which it doesn't at the moment, it only does the current character. Alright, I suppose best do doubles now. Doesn't seem that hard. Alright. Battle Dolphin, why don't you do it? No, I'm just kidding. It probably wouldn't be that hard. Let's change the event type to doubles. So there's not much room at all, actually. I have to put it next to the name, like above the score, probably. Okay, let's add some teammates. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to have to position the character icons up next to the actual name, maybe. That's also an interesting idea, because that could really help at the moment. I'll just go back over here. So in the set information, like if I start a set, no playlist, okay, whatever. So the description, I've only got the ability to store one character when it auto-generates the description of the video. So if I wanted to store all of the characters used in the set, that would be really good for that as well. So I think I probably will end up doing this now. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. Jigglypuff, really? Are you actually going to still play Jigglypuff in the new game? I mean, obviously you're going to try Jigglypuff out. Imagine if Jigglypuff is broken. That would suck. Getting rested like 40 and dying. Off of an up throw. Okay, let's position these character icons then. Let's find Jigglypuff and Ridley. Jigglypuff icon's pretty cool. Who are you gonna play in Ultimate Scrail? Gonna try the Ouija? Just gonna make me Bowser. Because he doesn't require as much skill as ZSS. Alright. Positioning. I think I'll keep the icon sizes the same. So then I'll go over here. I'll copy this. Yeah, I didn't understand what that comment meant. Ah, yeah. I think most people will try their main, like, seriously. But then we got people like Mr. L who's like, I'm gonna be a Ridley main even though I've never played him, and I'll probably hate him. Are you a fan of the Metroid series, Ben? Because some people will main a character just on that alone. Okay, so now I need to specify just for the singles event and just for the teams event. So... oh, and then I need to do it for crew battles as well. That's going to be interesting. Because I might want to do every person's character in the crew for crew battles. Okay. So you'll play Samus and then you'll play Samus's mortal enemy. Makes sense. Do you even, like, play Samus in Smash 4? Like, I don't think I've really ever seen you play Samus. So this will apply to the event when it's not set to teams. And then I need to do another section where it applies to the event when it is set to teams. Gonna try out Inkling and Pikachu. Now I'm gonna try out Banjo and Kazooie, because they're totally coming. As Reddit would have you believe. Dude, the Banjo and Kazooie subreddit has been like nothing but Banjo rumors for Smash for like the past 9 months. The past 12 years. It's getting kind of annoying actually. So now I'm deleting everything that's not specific to singles or doubles. And this section will apply to both singles and doubles, so I need to get rid of the positioning and leave the size here. So for singles, I probably want it to be top instead of bottom. So if I save that, Wigglytuff, Echo Fighter of Ridley. Right, that didn't work for some reason. Because I changed the wrong one. Cool! So let's swap these two. Bam. Donkey Kong Echo Fighter. Hell yeah. Yeah, I actually am one of those people who just wants nothing more than for Banjo to be in Smash. I need to test this with like someone with a really long name as well. Like, who has a really long name? Seymour Butts. That's interesting. It's not even in the center. Does that mean I'll have to put the character icon on the right for the second player of each team? He's saying your name is really long? It's not long enough. I need to test the limits. Naomi Campbelltown. Nah, Naomi's name was too long to fit even on my old layout, so that's just out the window. Let's position the characters for the second player of each team. Yes, scrolling text. That's something that might be possible. Okay, so I need to find what is it? Player last child or something? So players, direct child, colon, last child. And this is basically just saying the last player in each team. This section here, and I'll need to copy this for the first player, so I want the top value to be the same for both. Okay, so top applies to both. I deleted the wrong thing. That left position applies to player 1, so I need to put first child instead, and the right position applies to player 2. Okay, let's try that out. Interesting. I think it's too far in. I think it needs to be closer to the edges. So I'll probably make this 0 instead of 1. It's not looking too bad. Maybe they're too big on this doubles section. Yeah, it's not vertically centered with the name. That's because it's too big. So I might make it smaller for doubles then. Let's try 3. Okay, now, is that too small? Because now it looks above the name rather than below it. But I could also make it positioned slightly away from the edge, which would probably be better. You think Seymour will come back for Ultimate? Play Yoshi? Yeah, I'll try making it further away from the edge first. Nah, he's gonna be like a chic player or something. It looks almost right. Almost. Okay. That's looking pretty good. What do you think about the size? I think the size looks alright. Probably, if it was bigger, it'd be taking up too much space. The score also is kind of like intrusive on this doubles scene as well. Maybe I need to make the score yeah, you know what's funny about that random icon is I made it myself as a placeholder because there's no random icon on the website. Also, I can't get ultimate skin costumes off of the website. Grim. And in fact, I don't know how I'm gonna get ultimate skin icons before the first tournament. I'm just gonna go get some more water. I'll be back soon. Was that soon enough? I bet Battle Dolphin's not back yet. Anyway, I am going to make the score smaller because it's looking pretty intrusive on this double scene. Hello Mew Mew, welcome. You a Smash player? So let's find out where I position the score grid. Or more accurately, where I set the size of the score grid. I don't. I set the size of the units within the score grid. Are you excited for Ultimate? Do you know what character you're going to try out? Do I have a scene for singles? Yeah. I do. But if I change it to singles, it'll delete my player information at the moment, so I'll keep it as doubles for now. Let's go hydration. Man, it took you forever to get back. Like a whole minute, Battle Dolphin. I was back within like 24 seconds. Okay, so here it looks like I set the score, the width and height of the score units. So 2-liter bottle, nice. Who am I gonna make in Ultimate? That's an interesting question. I think a better question to ask is, what characters am I gonna try first? And that's probably gonna be Zero Suit Samus and Bowser, which are my 2 favorite characters in Smash 4. See if I like them. And then I might try out some new characters, like Richter and Simon look pretty cool. And if Banjo-Kazooie gets announced, I might try to give him a go. Them a go. This thing, it's my... Hey! Look at that! Someone used the command. It is weird, it's very weird. You'll get to see just how weird it is momentarily. So that's how you do a backspace. You go down and left. Now I need to get the, I need to change it just for the teams event, so I need to get, find out somewhere where I get the teams event. Here it is. Copy and paste everything. Never type anything. You don't have to, always copy and paste. Okay, so that is for when it's not teams, so I need to set it for when it is teams as well. How would you move in PC games with that? Oh, you wouldn't. You can, basically the arrow keys, you have to put it in caps lock, and then you can like do some weird combination to do the arrow keys. So that's basically why I actually have an extra keyboard here on the side to use the arrow keys mainly, and keyboard shortcuts. And also if I'm feeling like being lazy and don't want to use this thing. WASD. Well, okay. I'll show you what those characters are. So that's W, that's A, that's S, and that's D. So I don't know if that's very appropriate for movement in games. Yeah. I haven't tried it, and I don't know if I ever will. Okay, let's see how the score looks with it only being set to a width and height of 2 instead of 2.5. Double left. Oh, you noticed, did you? Double left is A. So that A is correct. A would work perfectly. What about W? W would also work because the right hand side you go up. S is both diagonally up to the right, so S would be really bad. And D is this one left and this one diagonal, so that would be pretty bad as well. But if you only use W and A, it's gonna be perfect. You go like you can switch from W to A just by going like. So this is A. Oh, it switched the scene. Why did it do that? because I'm in OBS window. Okay. Anyway. Enough theory crafting about games. Oh, I said... Why is the width and the height... I think it's because of the font size isn't properly set. It looks like it changed the width but not the height of the score. Hunting and pecking, what do you mean by that? Anyway, I've got to find the font size. Where do I set that? Both pointer fingers to type and nothing else. Oh, you mean like this? Okay. Like how my mum types. Is that called hunting and pecking? I've never heard of that before. This is Sublime Text. I should add a command for that as well, because that's not the first time I've been asked that either. What should I call the command? Exclamation mark code? Code program? Editor? Well, it's CSS, not HTML. Yeah, I'll just keep it coded unless someone thinks of a better name for the command. So the code editor. Is Sublime. We got there eventually. Okay. Wait, did you say... What is your degree, Lachlan? I can't remember whether you told me the other day. Does it... I didn't know your degree involved coding. Hey, I'm learning the Orbi Touch keyboard, okay? It takes a while. In fact, it's taken me almost a year to get to this point of speed. I know, impressive, right? Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Used to do IT and then moved to math and commerce. Cool. Math is my kind of subject. I did IT and multimedia at uni. So this is basically all this stuff that I'm doing right now. Let's find the font size. Here we go, I think I found it. So that's the in-game score, font size. Okay, that's... nope, I'm not quite there yet. Here it is. any Yoshi info? Didn't you see that like 2-second clip of Yoshi down being through the platform in one of the trailers? Okay, I need to set a different font size. Not enough? 2 seconds is not enough for you? 2 seconds of free-for-all zoomed out footage is not enough? Oh, I think you're asking for a bit too much for poor Sakurai. Yeah, this is my favorite song from Super Smash Bros. For Wii U. It plays all the time before people show up to the tournament because no one's on the setup yet. $120 frames? Oh, maybe it was more like 122 if we're being, you know, on the frame level. I think that's enough to make a 3-hour game explain video. So we'll be on the lookout for that. Yoshi fans, beware. Okay, let's find the teams event once again. Here we are. Didn't have to scroll as much that time. It's always good. 119.88. Oh, we're going into subframes, are we? Just didn't render the video at the right frame rate. Yeah, I've always been a proponent for Waluigi as well. It seems like Mr. Sakurai is not in the same camp as us. Forever an assist trophy. Okay, I need to make the font size smaller. So it was 2.5, I reduced it to 2. So what is that ratio? 0.8, and now I go times what? Times 1.5. That gives me 1.2. Cool. My encoding preset is overloading. This is not good. I might be dropping some frames. What can I close on my computer that will help? Kill this page for now. God, what is happening? Computer, stop dying. End Finder! Alright. You know, one time I actually... Finder stopped responding, so I tried to force quit Finder. That didn't end well. I had to kill my whole computer. Okay, let's just type 1.2. Let's go to the preview scene and hopefully the computer stops dying. Okay, that's interesting. It still didn't... It changed the font size, but it still didn't change the height. of the whole score. It's still... My computer is still... Oh, no, it's back now. It stopped dropping mad frames, but when I go back to this scene, it'll probably go back. Okay, let's find out where I set the height of the score grid. Boxes everywhere. I only see 12 boxes on this screen, Envy. No, it's back again. We're dropping frames again. Oh, no, that was a very short amount of... Okay. Just, you're all good, computer. Just relax. I'm not gonna stress you too hard. Grid? It's not called grid. What is it called then? Score? No bits. Yeah, I wish you could give me bits on this channel. I need 50 followers for that. Speaking of which, if you guys haven't followed the stream yet, give it a follow. That'd be very much appreciated, seriously. It would actually be appreciated. I'm no longer being sarcastic. Score, where are you? No, that's not it, that's the transitions. Okay, I've set the... Here it is, I found it. Hooray! Welcome back, Ben. Sellout. Yeah, I don't know about... so Scraggle's saying about how stuff might be too close to the edges, I think. I don't know if that's a big problem on Twitch. Unless someone's watching on like a really weird resolution screen or something. Also, whose emote is that? Marcus7. Don't know who that is. So let's adjust the height here. .420 to 69. That is ultra wide. That's like that Samsung monitor that's like an arm's width wide, and it's only like 1440 high or something. Maybe I will have to kill Finder because my computer's still overloading. This is not good. What if I kill this and then restart it? Yeah, some TVs are kind of like bad with cropping stuff. But I think that'll be less and less of an issue going forward into the future. Because stuff will actually be made a reasonable resolution, like 1080p, or it might even be 4K. It'd be the standard going forward. Okay, let's do some more copying and pasting. Everybody's favorite. That's all coding is, guys. Just copy and paste. Especially when you're doing CSS. because it's kind of like, it's not the best language for doing efficient stuff. Get rid of all this stuff. This keyboard is anime titties. Is that what you meant, Ben? Hello, Senpai Viri, welcome to the stream. Are you a Smash player? Okay. Height. I don't know, I should probably leave the border width to be the same. We'll see anyway. So I'll get rid of this for now. And I'll add... This section only applies to when the event is not set to teams, and this section will only apply when the event is set to teams. Bam, double cursor. Okay, I need to change this height. So what was it? 0.8 times whatever this value is. Wow, Envy Australia is auto-hosting me. Thank you. was that pretending enough for you? Did that sound too genuine? You have 7 followers. Have you ever streamed before? If you've never streamed before and you have 7 followers, that's actually impressive. Maybe I will change the border width. Just get 0.8 times it. Copy this. Is that no, you've never streamed before? Or no, that's not impressive? Hello, Team Calyptus. Welcome. Is that short for eucalyptus? I doubt it, unless you're Australian. Okay, so it looks like the height is all good now. Now I just need to make sure that the width of each unit is actually a square and not a rectangle. German. Oh, welcome. Do you play Smash in Germany? Do you know True 4? It's just like... Germany's a big country, everyone must know True 4. Okay. Now I need to go back and look for the unit size. Okay, I think I see the problem already. Wait, no, I don't see the problem. See, I'm setting the width and the height here, but for some reason only, like, the height is applying properly. Oh, well. There we go. Small world, kind of. Another person from Germany? Yeah, True4, he was on my other Twitch channel, like, 6 months ago. Was it 6 months? Has it been that long? Oh, computer, don't die. I clicked on the wrong thing. I'm sorry about the dropped frames, if that's what's happening right now. Okay, let's find out what the heck's going on with these score units and why they're rectangles and not squares. June? Oh, so it's not 6 months, it's like nowhere near. What does that make it? 4 months? Over 4 months? But what about when he was in Queensland? Because that would have been a month or two before that, right? So it would have been like 6 months ago. So is it on your channel, Team Calyptus, where you stream the tournaments? Wait, what's going on here? It's not even applying. I see what the problem is now. I've got a space here. This should not be a space, because these two properties apply to the same element. I bet I've done that like everywhere as well, so that's not good. So I need to change a lot of the stuff that I just did and remove the spaces. True4 was born and raised in Australia. Yep, he came here, we claimed him, and he is forever tainted with skill. Okay, how do I find all of the stuff that I just did easily? I'm just gonna go through all 31 matches until I find it. Here's one already. Look at that. Efficient. What stage is this song normally on? Or what game series is it anyway? Route 10? Does that mean it's from Pokemon? Doesn't sound much like Pokemon. Anyway, let's remove these spaces. Wait, why is that? This shouldn't even be here. What am I doing? Right? Oh, never mind. I just didn't see this up here. Jeez, what am I doing? Okay. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Oh, we back. We finally back. What the heck was that? It... And now it's back again. What the heck? Please don't do that again, computer. This is unreal. Okay. I think we're good now. I think we're good. Alright, I fixed the score, I think. Hooray! Cool. I think, is my mic? I think it's a bit quieter than it was, possibly. Let's, Okay, how's that volume? This... Okay, still not good enough. I'm gonna increase the volume again. Because when I disconnected my microphone, it killed all of my filters. Okay, 6 decibel increase in gain, still not high enough. Okay, this should be better for my voice now. How's that? Good? We good? And I think I need to add a noise suppressor or something. Filters. Okay, that should be better. Still fighting the music. Maybe this is just a really loud song. Okay. Let me know if you still want me to lower the music. I'm probably gonna check to see now whether I need to find anywhere else where I screwed up putting a space where there should not have been a space. I think we might be good. Hopefully, anyway. Wow, cool. I'll take a look at that application. You can learn... Okay. I have a couple of resources in the documentation. Streamedit.com/help. You, let's find, browser. So you don't actually need to know any coding to use the layout editor. It has a bunch of options where you don't need to code. But if you do want to learn coding, you can go to the overlays section here, custom CSS. Here we are, and this is like explaining all of the stuff that's specific to StreamEditor. And there's also a couple of resources for learning, so you can go to W3 schools or you can go to MDN. W3 schools is really good for beginners, I'd say, and MDN is more like, I don't know, if you know what you're doing a little bit. And looks like we got a recommendation for Code Academy in the chat. Is that free, or is that something you have to pay for? Yeah, I did make Stream Edit. It's something I've been working on for my own streams for years, and then I thought, hey, I might as well let other people use this. And here we are. Okay. Free courses, and then you have to pay for more. Okay. It's probably going to be a lot more comprehensive though. Video tutorials and stuff. Because I actually learnt in high school how to make websites and stuff. So it was kind of like forced motivation for me, so it took a little bit to get used to it, but then once you get used to it, it's really quite rewarding, I'd say. Okay. Now, what should we do next? Probably check whether the singles overlay is still working. Yeah, looks like it's still okay. Switch back to Teams. Okay, now crew battles. Let's add a bunch of players. Okay. Tubsy2H. Who else we got? Team Calyptus. Got Mr. L. Who else was here before? Let's put some random dude in here. Okay, 3 players, is that enough for a crew? Let's check out the preview. Ah, okay, so all of the icons are stacked on top of each other. Let's add some team names first. Battle Dolphin. Choose your team name. While you're doing that, I'm going to go get some water. Low tiers are broken, but you want to test my overlay, don't you? You want to see just how many characters you can fit. Alright, let's give it a go. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Not like this. Oh, what am I gonna do? World table? I don't know which of those words are in your team name. Team Blue World Table. I'm just gonna copy World Table. Blue World Table. I just wasn't sure because, you know, the background color of your team is also blue. Hey, that fits. Perfect. What happens if I actually put in spaces in this name? Okay, so that kinda works, but there's not much space between the first player. Should I just make the first player further down? How likely is it that there's gonna be a crew name that's gonna be longer than Blue World Table? Camel casing. Well, that means we have to put the first character has to be a lowercase l. Come on, Battle Dolphin, I thought you were a coding expert. No camel case for you. Okay, let's position these character icons, I suppose. Icon. I'm already here, it's already right in front of my face and I'm searching for it. If you move the first player down, it would look really awkward with one line. Yeah, that's kind of my conundrum at the moment. Because I don't think CSS is powerful enough to detect whether something has a line break in it and then adjust an element that's not connected to it. What keyboard device am I using? Battle Dolphin's got you covered. It is very funky. So just because Battle Dolphin doesn't know how camel case works, I'm gonna delete him. Bam. Eliminated. Get him out of here. Oh wait, I need to remove some players first. Bam! Get him out of here. But, bam? Computer? Uh-oh. There we go. Computer didn't like that for a second. God damn it, this name is too long. I suppose I should try to make it work with a really long name. Another thing I was thinking of implementing is making the font size smaller when the name is really long, because that's something I could do. Not in CSS, I don't think, but in the actual stream editor itself. Like in the JavaScript. I don't know. Anyway, let's position these character icons regardless. Okay, so this is when the event is not set to teams. I think I also want to make it just when the event is set to singles. So, and then have a different section for crews. Save that, and then have a new section here. Actually, I'm gonna undo that just so I can copy this and then redo everything, and then paste. That's genius version control right there. Okay, crews. So this is saying whenever the event is not set to crews or crew battles, then position everything absolute. Otherwise, I need to copy this. And this is if the event is set to crews. I don't know what I want to put here yet, so I'm just going to see whether this works. Okay, so that did something pretty cool. It made all of the character icons disappear entirely. That's definitely what I wanted to happen. How do I fix? Where do I even set the width and height of the character icons? Oh, okay, I think I see the problem. So I've set the width and the height to this. Oops, wrong scene. I've set the width and the height only on the singles event. I actually need to change that. Separate the width and the height from the left and bottom positions. So, actually, probably want it to be a different width and height for crew battles. Maybe 3 instead of 3.9. So let's see whether the character icons show back up now. And they do not. Perfect. Okay, I might have to use the power of inspect element to see what is going on here. I think I need to refresh. Broken. It's broken? Oh damn it, I wanted to use it. Ha ha ha. Okay, so we got the name. Here's the icon. What? You know what's really cool? I don't know how to spell cruise properly. I need an S here. Let's see if that was the problem. Yep, that was the problem. However, there's another problem here. The character icons aren't aligned properly with their names. Okay. That's gonna be interesting to fix. Let's have a look anyway. Inspect. Wait, why is it set to position absolute? What? Icon. Oh, it's because I didn't put the S on that one either. This is great. I'm good at this. S. Okay, that made things even worse. But I think the character icons are almost more aligned. Okay, this is getting better. Man, sometimes, you know, I never forget the semicolon. I always remember the semicolons. S's though, they're tricky. Same with spaces. Okay. So I need to make sure that it's set to display inline block instead of just block, so that'll stop it from showing up on a different line. Or in theory it would, but it didn't. Okay. I think I need to make sure that everything is set to inline block. Or none. Okay. Refresh. Everyone knows variable names is the worst thing about coding. Naming your variables. Okay, so it's set to inline block. That's good. Is person not set to inline block? It is not. That's a problem. So player has to be set to block, but person and icon have to be set to inline block, I think. Okay, let's give that a go. I don't even know if I can be bothered finding the place in this godforsaken file where I position the actual person, because it's already getting like 1500 lines. This is ridiculous. So I'm just gonna put it right below here. I'm sure that won't come to bite me later. Okay, so person, and I'll set this to display inline block as well. That didn't help. Interesting. I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll manage. Actually, I don't know if I should even bother to set stuff to inline block. I should just make the parent element set to relative and then set the character icon's position to be absolute. It's a bit of a hack, but it might even work out better. Because that way I don't have to deal with, like, player names being too wide and stuff. Look how much room this is taking up, like, that's too much room. And then what about the player itself? That's only taking up a lot of room because the character icon's on a new line. So let's set this positioning. So I think I need to set the direct child of a player. And that will be set to position relative. And then this, that I can probably get rid of that. That's not needed anymore. And then I'll set this to be position absolute. Okay, now's the moment of truth. It still didn't work. No. No. What's happening now? Wait, oh my god, you're not gonna believe this. I forgot an S again. Maybe you could believe that. Now it looks like we're back where we started. Why is this happening? It looks like he's like, hey, this is Team Calypto's character. It's not Team Calypto's character. It's Grail's character. Maybe it's because I haven't set the top and left positions. Oh, there we go. That was the problem. Okay. It's kind of coming together. Okay, so I'll set the top position to be... I suppose it has to be different for the player with the big text as it does for the players with the small text underneath. But for now, I'll just keep them both at 0. And then there's this monstrosity with the team name being too long. Something I could do is make this angle. I could make it go the other way like that. But I'm trying to make it look kind of like the character selection screen, where the angle definitely goes in this direction, like that, instead of this direction. These cameras are hard. So maybe I'll just like kind of ignore that low tiers are broken and just keep it as low tiers. And then let's have a look at the preview. Okay, we're getting there. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick break. I shall be back soon. I'm gonna use this sick timer feature in StreamEdit to set the time when I'll be back. Look at that. Oh no, I'm a minute late. The timer has been removed. Oh, look at that. It's just like pools. I'll adjust the timer. And now it's still inaccurate because I'm already back. Cool. Okay, so the character icons. So the top one isn't properly aligned with the name, so that's a bit of not good. I think I need to make the top character bigger and the bottom characters smaller. I'm sorry, BD. You know, if in a perfect world, we'd all start on time. Okay, so let's get back into it. Are you talking about, like, when Pro Bracket was supposed to start on time and it did? I'm like, there's no way Pro Bracket's gonna start on time, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. But my expectations were dashed. Seeding took mere minutes. Even though you said it was yesterday, I was like, yeah, I know exactly what he's talking about. And I didn't even cross my mind that it wasn't yesterday, when it was in fact like 3 days ago. Time flies. Okay, so the first player of each crew needs to have a bigger icon. That's a pretty interesting idea, actually. Because you're not gonna know exactly what character the players who aren't defeated are gonna use. I mean, you can predict what character they'll use. But yeah, I think I might actually do that. Yeah, I'll give it a go, see if it doesn't look weird. Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. So, the first player where is the R key? There it is. So the first player, the character width and height should be what? It's probably about right. Maybe slightly bigger. 3.2, 3.5. And the top position should be bigger than 0 as well. So 0.2. Let's try this. 3.35. And you are on the money. You know what, 3.3. I'm gonna try 3.35. I'm gonna put faith in Lachlan. And 3.35 looks pretty good, I must say. Now I just need to adjust the top position as well, because 0.2 is not quite enough. Yeah, 0.5 is also not enough. Actually, I should probably add a character here. Mario. It's probably still too high. It's 0.7. Now that's too low. 0.6. Okay, that looks, I don't know, too low still. It's hard to tell. It's 0? You reckon? I'm gonna change it to, oh, 0.5, okay. Like what? Yeah, 0.5 is probably good. Yeah, 0.5 is probably good. I don't know, Luigi's face looks kind of like weird because it's elongated. It's hard to tell where the center of his face is, but I think that should be fine. Yeah, because Mario's fat face is like, it looks like it's too high, and then Luigi's face looks like it's too low. But that's not my fault. But 0.5 is probably a good in-between value. Alright, so now probably make all of the other player icons smaller. So instead of the first child, we want to make it not the first child. So that'll make sure that every player that's not the first player on a given crew will have these values applied to them. So I could probably just get rid of this now. So the width and height should be like 2 point something. Separate heights for each icon. All 75 characters. That's right, I have inside information. I know exactly how many characters there will be in the game. Clip this. Alright, we got tiny little icons for the other players. Looks like I might even have to change this top value as well. Okay, that's cut. Okay, what? It's between 0.1 and 0.5. Let's try 0.3. Okay, the random icon looks pretty bad as usual. let's add some actual other characters like Samus and Inkling. That looks alright. .35? Nah. 0.3 is the way. Okay, it's looking alright now. I don't know about like whether I want to have all the character icons in the same left position or I want to have it closer to each player. Actually, I might even want to make the text align to left. And also I want to try out only having defeated players showing their character icons as well. So the defeated class is added to, I think, the player. So that would mean... Okay. Gonna have another complicated query here. So I want it to set it to display none if it is not defeated and is also not the first child. There we go. Can't believe that worked first try. Didn't even forget an S. So now if I say, hey, Scrail carked it. Oh, damn it. The player name is too wide. That's a shame. Maybe I need to make the left position negative. It probably is a problem for you if I were to check it again. Oh dear. Negative. 1. Let's try that. Online practice states. You see, I don't hear this one as often because I don't play online. But it's definitely a banger. Also, have you guys heard that the menu theme for the new game, and it's like got those Seinfeld sounds in it? How far left can I make these character positions? Also, I might get rid of him being defeated. Okay. See, it probably would have been a problem for you. slap bass. Yeah, that's the one. The Seinfeld sounds. I thought, like, the first time I heard it, I thought it was like some sort of weird parody. Someone just like combined the Seinfeld theme with the Smash theme. And like, I thought slowly the Seinfeld theme was just gonna take over. But I think I need to hear a good quality recording of it before I pass too much judgment. Also, why did Bowder Dolphin's character disappear? That's not good. Like, I'm guessing if I refresh, it'll reappear. That might be a bug. Yeah. Grim. See, now the like characters are way too far away from like Scrail's name. Look, it's just like, what on earth? Maybe I do need to left align the player names. Let's give it a go anyway. God, where do I set the text align in this massive file? I might even make a new section for it, actually. Let's see how this looks. Didn't do anything. Cool. It's probably because I am setting it to center somewhere else in this file. Let's find out. Also, I've just realized that I've been doing this for all scenes. I've been like ignoring all of the other scenes, and I've just been saying, hey, apply these values to every single scene. So I'm gonna have to change that in a moment. Make it only apply to the camera scene. So if I just change this to the left, I get a little preview of what it'll look like. Where's the left position for these? I also kind of want to make it so it's only these guys' names are left aligned, and this one's still in the middle. I don't know if it'll look that good anyway. Don't know about this left align business. get rid of it for now. What I might try is having a different left position for the small players instead of the large players. Like a different left position for the character icons, I mean. Also, I mustn't forget to make it only apply to the camera's scene. Is 0 gonna be okay for the small players? Interesting. That doesn't look good at all, because like Battle Dolphin's character position is good, but Scrail's character position is like pretty far away from his name. And then what if I add like a bunch more players? Now this song's a banger. And if you disagree, then you're wrong. Whoa, that's not good. What is going on here? There we go. Back to normal now. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. Now that there's a bunch of players without characters. And then the more characters that I remove, the more players that I remove, it'll start to fill up and look pretty good. This could be okay. It's like Seymour Butts is like the highest the most amount of characters that I'll probably allow in a name. So that's probably a good character position where it is. I mean, I don't know, it's not bad. I mean, it's not that bad, but I feel like it could look a lot better if I like properly left align it. and whatnot. Maybe I'll come back to this later. What I'll actually do is make sure that this only applies to the camera's scene. So I want to copy this. No, here's the camera's scene. Copy that and paste it basically on everything I've done today. So here, 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 paste, paste, paste. Even on the cancelled out bits. Okay, that should be good. Now hopefully all the other scenes won't be screwed up. Welcome back, BD. And let's find out where I show the character icons and make sure it only shows up on the camera's scene. So here we go, I just copy this. Basically this would just say on every scene that is not named cameras, display none to the character icon. So let's have a look. What? Why did that make everything worse? Damn it. It was supposed to change nothing. Alright, what did I screw up? Oh, okay. I found it. Well, I found one of the culprits anyway. So there, this is supposed to be before the icon, because this applies to the whole overlay, and this is just one specific element. So in all the other rules, the icon is the last bit. So let's see if that solved everything. There we go. Perfect. Let's just check to make sure everything else is fine. I didn't screw anything else up. Looking good. Okay, now let's change the scene. I've got the even got the crew names underneath the player name. Oh, I should probably change the round name, hey. Crew Battle. I don't know about those. I'm torn how to implement player cams, because I kind of want them to fit in that diagonal rectangle thingo. But if I were to animate these rectangles as a transition, I couldn't really do that with the cameras in OBS. I know there's like an OBS plugin I can get for Windows that can animate cameras and stuff, but I don't have a Windows computer. So I'm gonna have to figure out something to do with these player cams. Thank you, BD. Alright, oh, it looks like the music ended. That was the whole Smash Bros. Soundtrack, except for this one Donkey Kong song that kept getting me copyright infringement on YouTube. I removed that from the playlist. But yeah, that's the whole Smash Bros. For Wii U CD that you get from like Club Nintendo or whatever. Yeah, I think that might be it for this stream. So this stream I added. I'm just gonna press play on the music again, just to so that there's not a bunch of background noise. We get to hear Tetris for a second time. Okay, so this is the crew battle scene with all the character icons. It adds the character icon if they get defeated. And let's switch it to doubles now. Make sure that still works fine. If my computer will handle this. There we go. Yeah, that's looking alright. I don't know about the text alignment for player 2, especially in like a best of 3. But I don't want to make the text alignment worse or further to the right, because then they might not fit all of the information in. And let's try singles. Wait. I noticed something. Crew names are in doubles. That is, I also noticed that. So let's fix that first. There it is. Okay. We need to make sure that that doesn't show up. So where do I set the team name? That's where I set the crew name, but crew names are for like sponsors and stuff. Let's find team name. So I only want to show the team name on the game screen and the camera's scene. More accurately, I only want to show it on the crew's event. Okay. So this is just saying whenever the event is not set to cruise, hide the team name. So let's see if that worked. Okay, it's gone from here. That's a good sign. Let's check all the other scenes as well. Ooh, that looks interesting. they don't fully animate out. Okay. I think it's all good. If I set it to singles, first I'll set it to cruise. And now the team name should show up again. Well, I haven't set a team name over that side, so that's fine. So at the moment the crew names don't show up on this scene, so I might want to change that later. And these scenes are not going to matter. Cool. Check singles finally. Oh, I don't think singles are even capable of having team names. The team name is the player itself. So I think we're all good. Might end the stream here actually. So if you're not following already, make sure to give the stream a follow. I'll find someone to raid. Thanks for watching the whole time, Battle Dolphin. I really appreciate it. Hopefully we'll get some quality options in the future again. Who should we raid? Thanks for that, Tubbsy. see you later, guys. Thanks for watching.